What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? So today, Tyler will be out in a minute. I'm at Tyler's house right now. We're going to be going out to Saginaw Bay with Adam on his boat. I have no idea how it's going to be tonight. I haven't been out there in a couple of weeks, and the last time we went out, we didn't do that good. So we're going to see. We're going to have about 4 shooters on the boat tonight, so it actually should be kind of cool. If people can land their shots, it'll be a really fun night, hopefully. We'll see what happens. But I already called Adam. We told him we're about to leave Tyler's house. I just got here, picked up Tyler's bow. He's got to run inside and grab some sweatpants and a sweatshirt. And then we're going to be on our way to Saginaw Bay. Wish us luck. What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? So today I'm here with Adam, Tyler, and Troy. Troy's the new bow fisherman on Adam's boat. It's going to be a wild night. Hopefully we can get Troy on some fish. We're going to see what happens. Wish us some luck.
Ooh, right on. Oh, I got him. Roasted him. Yeah. Yeah, because I went completely through him. You gotta set the drag. Get him. Got him. Nice shot. Here. I was gonna say pull him up. Get him. Got him. Yeah, you did. Look at, he's on your arrow. Damn. You got him, for sure.
Man, look at that, baby.
Yeah. Got him. Right there, dude, right there. Get him. Got him. Nice shot, dude. Perfect shot. Nice. Yeah. Nice shot, dude. Big old dog. Got him right in the head, dude. Huh? Nice shot, dude. Very nice. Got him. Got it. Sheephead. Push the barbs back and then twist this counterclockwise. Yeah, go. Yeah, twist it this way. I'm sorry. Twist it like you're revving a bike engine. Should come loose. If it does, just keep doing it until the arrow. Yep, and then just slide them off. And then into. Yeah, see him right there? Looked like you hit him right in the head. You did. Nice. Looks like a big sheephead. Are you okay over here? I'm okay. Okay. Did you get him in? Oh. Straight ahead, straight ahead. Got him. Nice shot. Pegged him. Good idea. Oh, he got him. What do you... Big Goldie? He's pretty big, dude. Yeah, don't... I wouldn't horse him. Yeah, don't horse him. If he's pretty good size, we'll get a second arrow in him. Adam will, because he's already right there. I mean, I don't know how big he is. Oh, he's not really that big, but yeah, you got him pretty good. You should be able to pull him right up. If he was a 40-pounder, I'd tell you to just wait, but...
Well, as you can see, guys, I think we did a pretty good night. And if there's any last words, nobody. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.